What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. What I have in front of me here are some parts from Gawa, and it's for the R32 DET. It's for the stock T3 turbo, and so this is a full kit. Alright, so here's the part number, and this kit here is only work for the bottom mount. So it's to replace the factory hard line, so it comes with the braided line for the oil line and the coolant. It comes with all the hardware that you need to complete this. All right, so this is the stock turbo, came off from R33 RB25 DET, so it's compatible to my engine. The reason why I'm going with this turbo because my HKS turbo, the GT2530 Kai Barbarian, I believe the turbo seal is no longer any good. So there is signs of oil leaking coming from the turbo housing. So there's not much I could do about that. So I'm gonna swap this turbo, and hopefully I can find a rebuild kit for that HKS turbo because it is discontinued. So so let's get this thing started. That way I can get this car back on the road and start drifting again. What I'm going to do now is start removing the intercooler. That way I have enough room to work with. Taking out the turbo, it should be an easy process. So let's get to it and enjoy the time lapse. Finally got the turbo out. Apparently it has some shaft play. On the bottom here, that's where the oil leak. I did tighten it, but I guess it's still leaking. So like I said, maybe the turbo seal is no longer good. But overall, I love this turbo though. It's very responsive. man, hopefully I can find a rebuild kit for it, because I don't feel like, you know, retire this turbo yet. So yeah, it's what it is. So here's the stock turbo RB25, and it's ready to go back in. So let's go ahead and get the thing started. Right now I'm about to install the stock RB25 turbo in here. Luckily that I still can use the braided line that I have for the HKS turbo. What I did was swap the banjo bolt, and that's pretty much it. So everything should just plug and play. I got the turbo on, so I'm just gonna finish up put all these nuts on and tighten everything up. What's left is the oil drain hose and the oil feeder. So just little stuff where all the intercooler are, and then pretty much just tighten all the nuts together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm losing sunlight right now, so I'll do it as fast as I can, and hopefully we can able to start the car. All right, this is the next day. I did finish the car really late at night, so you know I didn't feel like start the engine. Neighbor is gonna get mad at me. So yeah, right now I'm just double check, make sure there is no cooling leak or oil leak, and so far so good. I'm just waiting for the coolant to burp out all the air out in the system, and so I'm gonna take it for a test drive in a bit here.